Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Egress-Only Internet Gateway. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. An Egress-Only Internet Gateway is a scalable, fault-tolerant, and highly available VPC component. It enables instance within your VPC to initiate outbound IPv6 communication with the Internet while preventing external internet resources from starting IPv6 connection to those instances. An ingress-only internet gateway supports IPv6 traffic exclusively. If your resources require outbound-only internet access using IPv4, you should configure NAT Gateway instead. Using an ingress-only internet gateway doesn't incur an additional gateway fee. However, standard data transfer charges apply to EC2 instances that send or receive traffic through an internet gateway. So here you can see our egress-only internet gateway, IPv6 outbound traffic only, and our instances in the private subnet have these from these address space IP addresses. To configure this, first create an egress-only internet gateway within your VPC. Next, add route to the appropriate route table that direct either all IPv6 traffic and particular IPv6 address range through the internet gateway. Egress-only internet gateway, this range here. Add this route in the routing table. An ingress-only internet gateway operates as a stateful component. It forwards outbound traffic from instances in the subnet to the internet and other AWS services and allows the corresponding response traffic to the return to those instances. Security groups cannot be attached directly to an ingress-only internet gateway. To filter its inbound or outbound traffic, instead, you can configure a network access list to manage traffic entering and leaving the subnet whose IPv6 traffic is routed through the gateway. The following examples showed a route table linked to this subnet. It contains route that directs all internet destined IPv6 traffic, this traffic, through the egress-only internet gateway. So that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. Thank you.